Hello friend, this is Sunil Sharma here from Speed Math and I'm back again with another great trick of Speed Math. So in today's video we are going to discuss life door death door puzzle. Here is the puzzle. There's a king and there is a criminal. Criminal is like a Robin Hood. He is very famous in his village. But the king doesn't like it. On one fine day, king captures him and he decides to execute him. But then he thinks that if he execute him, then the entire villagers will be against him. So he creates a master plan. On a very big ground, he creates two doors. Now these two doors are alike in all the way. But one of the door is a life door and the other one is a death door. Now as you see in the picture, there is a soldier across each door. Now one of the soldier always lies and another one always speaks truth. Only king and soldier knows which one is a life door, which one is a death door, and they also know who is lying and who is speaking truth. You are supposed to ask a question, only one question, and to any one of the soldier. You cannot ask more than one question and you cannot ask both the soldiers. You have to ask any one soldier any one question, not more than that, and then you are supposed to select a door. If that door happens to be life door, I will release you. But if that door happens to be death door, I will have to execute you then and there. And the king goes back to his throne. And then the criminal is wondering that both the doors are alike. There is no way he can figure out that which one is a life door and which one is a death door. Also, even if he asks one question to any one soldier, he cannot even rely on the answer because he doesn't know who is speaking lie and who is speaking truth. He frames your question in such a way that the answer will always lead to life door. So once he has created this question, he boldly walks to one of the soldier and he asks a question which he created, and then he selects a door. The door, my dear friend, happens to be life door. So my dear students, this puzzle is for you, and the question is, what was the question he asked and how did he select the door? I encourage you to pause the video, think over it, sleep over it. Maybe you can take some time or maybe a day's time and then come back to the solution. But if you are curious enough to know the solution, I'll tell you the solution right away. Again, I would encourage you to pause the video, but if you can't, keep listening ahead. So my dear students, I think you have waited enough. Let me tell you the solution. The first question was, what was the question he asked? And it's very simple. The question is, the criminal would ask any one soldier, what would be other guard's answer for life door? And whatever is the answer, always select the opposite door. No matter who you ask this question, that guard will always point you to the death door. And that is the reason why you're always going to select the opposite door. Let's take an example. Let's say you happen to ask a guard who is lying. Well, he's supposed to lie. So if you ask him what would be the other guard's answer for life door, he will lie to you and he will point you to the death door. Again, as I mentioned, you're supposed to select opposite door. And if you happen to ask this question to a guard who is speaking truth, he will honestly tell you that lying guard will point you to the death door. And again, you will select the opposite door. I would suggest you take some time, pause the video, think over it, and once you understand, you will have that eureka moment. I hope you have understood this puzzle. Leave your comments and do hit subscribe button and hit like button if you want more such puzzles. This puzzle is also known as truth paradox. I hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you for listening to me.